Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can list all the comments to a new worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Okay, take a look at this workbook here. I have several comments here and I want to create a new worksheet inside this workbook and I want to list all the comments to that worksheet. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Let's get started. So we are going to do this using Visual Basic for application. So please click here on the developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab here, check out this video. You will learn how to add developer tab to the ribbon. And now click on the Visual Basic, click insert and click module. Now write the code. I have already written the code. If you need the code, please sign up the form and subscribe to the channel. So when our code is ready, if I click on this run button and you can see the new sheet has been created, and close this and check this out. So first, these are the worksheet name from which the comment has been copied, and these are the cell address from which the comment has been copied, and again the value of that cell, and these are the comments of that cell. If I check here in sheet 1, cell B2 has a value 1 and comment. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me check it. Sheet 1, cell B2, value 1 and comments. Please subscribe to the channel. So this is how you can copy all the comments and paste it in a new worksheet. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.